This little bird seems to be looking for something in the washing machine.
Hello!
This massive tornado that was about a mile wide hit over Kansas. The effects were absolutely devastating.
So they're holding on to my loofah, which they shouldn't have, and Molson fell asleep.
Sorry. Yes. No. Sorry.
A diver found this incredible feather starfish in Thailand. This looks like a normal rock, but once broken, it reveals a very shiny obsidian glass. This pan weighs 20 pounds, but these guys decided to make it float in the air. Okay, and that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you tomorrow.